Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be creating the surface for the top housing. We'll be modeling the details in subsequent lessons. Let's begin with a sketch on the right plane and take a normal 2 view. I'm going to place a spline now. Right-click and select to exit the spline. Let's apply relations and dimensions now. Let's make this 5 millimeters. And here 5 millimeters as well. This distance is going to be 9 millimeters. Accept. Let's apply 2 more dimensions. 85 millimeters here. Accept. Here we'll have 57 millimeters. Accept. Let's exit the sketch and take an isometric view. Now I'm going to insert a support plane. I'll create the plane with this point and this curve. And let's click OK. Let's insert a sketch on our new plane now with a right click, normal 2. To turn the part 180 degrees, just click normal 2 again. Let's insert a spline. Right-click and select to exit the spline. Now shift-select these points and add a horizontal relation. Let's select this point and shift-select this curve and add a pierce relation. Now let's apply some dimensions. 1 millimeter here. And 60 millimeters here. Accept. This dimension will be 60 millimeters as well. Accept. Let's exit the sketch and take an isometric view. Go to the Surfaces tab and activate the Swept Surface tool. The profile's already pre-selected. The path, let's choose this curve and click OK. And here's the surface for the top housing. We're going to pick up from here in our next lesson.